Hey traders, if you think Forex trading is all about winning trades, I got some real talk for you. It's not. In February, I made 39 trades and I lost more than I won. But here's the shocking part, I still made 31.7% in profit. How is that even possible? Stick with me because I'll show you where the profit come from, what are the biggest mistakes that cost me money, also how to stay profitable even when your win rate is low. Okay, so let's start with the report. So in February, I took 39 trades, out of which 15 were profitable, 18 were losses, and 6 were break even. So you could say that around 24 trades were not in profitable, 6 and only 15 were in profitable. So, and still I made 31.7% in money. That is because my win rate is around 30-35%. But what to say, my risk reward are 1 is to 3. So when I win, I risk $1 to make $3. That is how I make this much money. And again, we could see the weekly performance down here. So in the week one, I have around six trades of three were winning, three were losing, and I still made 10 percentage. Here in week two, again, the win rate you could see here is just 30 percentage, but still I am in a profit. It's because the four wins made me good return rather than all the losses and the break even combined. And again, the first week it was 10, the second week it is 6, and the third week it's 6.5, and the fourth week I made a good 9.2%, 9.2 percentage, which all will be the sum of around 31.7 percentage. And again, you could see here that I had consecutive wins, 2 plus wins in 3 times, and it's 5 times, and average trade per day would be my 1.9. And again, this is the main reason we need to look for. So when I win, these are the standard law. When I win, I make good returns, and when I lose, I make lose like minus 1% only. And that is the main risk management I follow. When I lose very small, but when I win, I get a good amount of money. And this is the cumulative profit you could see in this, the x-axis. You could see here that all are the below are the number of trades, and these are the percentage of profit which I made in each trade. So initially, all the high you could see here, these are within, these are the reason for the two trades only, or one, two, three trades. I got like 10 percentage because my 1% is risk and I make 3%. But when I lose, I will lose only like 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%. So that's only I lose 4% in four trades, but I win back, I get more. And it's like it looks like a great chart, and this should be exactly how a trader's graph should go up. Okay, so and ultimately I'll be reaching a 31.7 percentage. And as you can see here, this is the journal for all the trades which I've taken, and you could see here that all the dates are here, which is the current week, week number, and there are 39 trades in total, and I made 31.7. And you could see here that when I make the losses, it will be like minus 1%, and I make a profit, it will be like 4%. When I make a profit, 8%, and the profit 3%, and the losers minus 0.5%, the losers minus 1%, and when I win, 2.5%. So you could see here a pattern, right? All the winners I make are in multiple of the standard losses I make. I don't make a huge big loss. Make only small losses. But I when win big, I make like 3.5%. Here, 2.7%. So that is the main reason where I get more profitable even if I lose more trades. And again, the another column we could see here is the blunders. So these blunders can be of many times. Maybe FOMO, maybe I don't do the market research. I just take a random trade. All the reason maybe, and still when you could see that there are many. Even it is a blunder, I can still make money. And if it is losers, it's okay. I don't care. But the thing which we need to take care of is that when try to avoid this blunder so much, so that around more than 10, 15 blunders are there in total for me. So if I could avoid that in the next coming month, that would be a better result for me. And also you could see here that, say, take one example of profit. So it's a week two third. You could see here that this is the place where I ended, and this is kind of a short here. I took entry here on the short side, and you could see here that the 50 minutes is sell side, so all the direction are in sell, so I could go for a sell. And the next one would be, and I got the profit like 1 is to 4 this is the reason. So you could check all the profits and losses of the trades which are taken in February. And also you could go through the X platform, and you could see all the trades which I have been posted here. So you could check at the Black Capital. I'll put the link in the description also. All the trades which I take. So this is the week 9. I made 10.7% profit, and all the trades I'll be posting beforehand. So there are only very few people who post their trades beforehand on time. So this cannot be cheated. All the trades which are taken here will be, yeah, this is all these trades are put it in the journal also. So you could say here that, yeah, these are the trades, and what happens here is I have made a break even trade here today. So all the trades are documented here. All the journey which I gone through is posted here. So you could just see and see how I am trading, how the risk I am taking, all will be shown here. And in the coming videos, I'll be posting a weekly video also, as well as a monthly video. So when the next week is coming, I'll put a weekly video of all the trades which are taken like this. Also the monthly video of the March, what are the progress, all will be transparent, all will be honest, and also all will be documented like here. So you could see here that all the trades are in good condition. So you could go through it and understand how my trading setup goes and works, how much risk I take here, and is it a blunder or not. So you could learn from this. So that's it, guys. So see you in the next video. Take care.